The following portion of the Arizona Daily Mix is sponsored on behalf of Rubbermaid, Rejuvenate, Diggs, Cutter by Kepper Incorporated.
All right, Lexi, it is time for those home projects inside and out, and I talked with home improvement lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery about 4 things you need to do, add to your checklist to improve your home this summer. Good morning, Kathryn. How you doing?
Brad, I always love talking to you. My favorite time of the year. Time to get stuff done around the house, my friend.
Yes, and actually, we need to start outside before we move inside, and that's some things people forget to do. So let's start outside and talk about mosquitoes.
No, thank you. That was the one thing we don't want this season, right? So, Brad, what if I told you that with just the push of a button, in minutes, you could get family protection for your area for up to 40 hours. So this is the Cutter Eclipse. It's a rechargeable, refillable device that all you do is push that button. Within minutes, you're getting protection, no scent. Like I mentioned, it's family friendly. I keep joking, it's almost like, think Star Wars. You have like this invisible barrier around you that mosquitoes don't want to come in. They leave you alone so you can relax with your family, relax with your friends, relax by yourself without the mosquitoes bugging you.
Oh my gosh, I'm buying 2 of them for camping. I gotta get them. I gotta get them.
You do. So easy to, they're so lightweight too, and they look good too, right?
I love it. Okay, let's go to the garden.
I mean, you want to make sure things are looking good, right? So I partner with my friend Diggs. I dig it, right? Pun intended. You find them at Home Depot, but they're known for their gloves. They've got gloves, they've got accessories for the garden. Very high quality, sturdy, durable, but also fashion forward because, Brad, we want to look good while we're doing it, right? So they have 3 new things. They've got this brand new straw sun hat. So this is lightweight, breathable, looks great, especially there in Phoenix. It's going to keep you outside longer. They also have these great kneeling pads. So think about that out in the garden. It's got it's thick foam, extra wide, waterproof. Great for in the garden or all over the yard. Look at, I love this blue color. And then they've got these cooling towels, which I know I'll be speaking your language next month there in Phoenix. It gets super hot. Water activated. Then you can wear it as a bandana, wear it as a headband, wear it around your neck. So you make sure that you're looking good and you're staying cool out in the garden, right? Because we want everything to match too, right? So go check out everything from Diggs at the Home Depot.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
It?
You know,
good,
it's not
right?
how you garden, it's how you look.
I mean, I like to get it done, but I got to look good doing it, right?
Okay, all right, now as we move from outside inside, and let's talk about our floors. We want those nice and clean, don't we?
Of course, but you know what, my friend? I want to get it done quickly. So I have been using the Rejuvenate Click and Clean multi-surface spray mop. Just think about that for a minute. For quite a long time in my house. I'm going to tell you why it is the best. So number 1, that microfiber pad down there that you see, you get 2 of them in the kit. It has 10,000 scrubbing microfibers working hard at. It's like 10,000 dwarves down there. Like we should insert like some Disney music here, right? But the nice thing is you can throw that pad in the wash, use it over and over again. You saw that spray. You're getting a really powerful clean. That wide mop head's getting it done quickly. In the kit comes all floors cleaner. So like it says, Brad, you can clean all different types of floors. So you got to check it out. It really will change your life because you want to get it done quickly and efficiently, right?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's move to the garage that I know a lot of people need to organize, especially me.
Guilty, right? Get everything off the floor and onto the walls. So Rubbermaid, they make amazing products. This is their fast track garage storage system. So I have with me, this is the 7-piece kit. So you get these 2 rails and these 5 hooks. That's just to get you started. But I love that you can go in and buy additional hooks. You can buy shelving. You can buy whatever you need and add it to this system so your system grows as your need grows. So think about it, whether you're putting up sporting equipment, golf clubs, lawn and garden, bikes, shelves for paint cans, whatever you need, you can go into the Home Depot, homedepot.com, keep adding to it. What I love is it can hold over 1,000 pounds. So it's super durable, very easy to install. Just one person can install it with tools around the house, and it's Rubbermaid, so you know it's built to last, right?
It is. Wow, Kathryn, this is awesome. From outside to inside to the garage, all covered. So where can we find more information about things we talked about?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com to learn about everything here that you absolutely need and more great home improvement tips.
There it is. Kathryn, thank you for joining us this morning.
It's always a pleasure talking to you, my friend. Until next time.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored on behalf of Rubbermaid, Rejuvenate, Diggs, Cutter by Kepper Incorporated.